Hey everyone, welcome back to tenorshare. Do you want to do a screen recording on your iPhone to share tips with your friends? No need for any third-party apps. Apple has this feature built right in. Here I will show you how to record your iPhone. Whether you're using your brand new iPhone 16 or an older model, I'll walk you through the steps and tricks. Let's dive right in. First off, usually we can start screen recording from iPhone's control center. But if you're on a new device, you might notice that the screen recording button isn't there by default. If you're using iOS 18, long press on any empty space, click Add a Control, and search for Screen Recording. You'll see the option pop up. Tap on it, and it's added to your control center. Now, whenever you want to record your screen, just tap the button and you're good to go. Now, if you're still on iOS 17 or an older version, don't worry, the process is just a little different. You'll need to head into your settings. Scroll down until you see Control Center and tap on it. Then scroll down again until you find Screen Recording. Tap the plus button to add it to your control center. Once that's done, you'll be able to access the screen recording function just like on iOS 18. Alright, let's talk about recording with sound. When you're ready to start recording, go ahead and long press the screen recording button. Then, turn on the microphone here if you want to capture audio as well. This is perfect if you're doing a tutorial or need to explain something while recording. If you want to broadcast your screen recording live, maybe to Facebook or another platform, you can also do that directly from this screen. Just select the app you want to broadcast to, and it will do it. Normally, when you're done recording, your video will automatically save to your Photos app. Keep in mind that if your screen recording is long, it might take a little extra time to save. But don't worry, it'll be there once it's finished processing. Before we wrap up, if you're interested in trying out iOS 18 but haven't upgraded yet, make sure to check out our video card for a full guide. Or you can download ReiBoot to install the iOS 18 beta on your phone. And if you run into any issues, like being stuck on the Apple logo, ReiBoot is a powerful system repair tool that can help fix your device without losing any data. You can get a free download link in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.